Hi everyone, and just doing my reflection. And so to start out, I'm not gonna make this one as long as my other one, so hopefully some of you guys listen. Uh, anyways, so we had to listen to the lecture. I thought it was kind of interesting to listen to them. Some of the primary messages that I got from the lecture was that a lot of the things we see on YouTube we actually introduce into our own lives, and a lot of people use YouTube as something they can relate to, and I think that's a very real thing. And I think a lot of kids, especially I see high school kids every single day, and they're always listening to someone's music or videos or memes or some stupid video, usually is what it is. But they're always using those. And I think in the future, we can use those in our classroom quite a bit. We can actually use YouTube videos to be instructive to show uh, something that we want kids to learn or watch or get a message across for something. I know, like in my math class, I know I talked about it last time too, but my math class has a lot of YouTube videos that we watch, and it kind of helps me figure things out. So I think we can use that with a lot of different things, not just math, but also in history, science, and English. I know our main courses, and even my head basketball coach that I work with, finds stuff on YouTube to play games in gym too. So I know it can be used there also. Um, I think we just need to keep using stuff with our classroom like that. It can always help, but you just have to find the right tools. I also listened to a podcast, and I found a really cool one by Dan Carlin. It's called Hardcore History. Uh, I didn't listen to all of it, but I listened to the first hour of it, and it was awesome. His talked about the start of World War One and how that kind of played into getting into World War Two. And I'm a history buff, so finding something like that was awesome. I suggest going to search them if you love history too. He has a bunch of free ones that you guys can go to. One of the other things that I think we need to try to avoid, though, as teachers, is we don't need social media in classes. We don't need Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all that. It's already causing a problem as it is outside of school. We don't need it in the classroom. We don't need it in the school, period. Um, Kids try to add me on different things, Snapchat, Facebook, all that. I don't add them. I don't need that kind of drama in my life. I already hear about it enough as it is. I don't need that anywhere else. Um, I know we're supposed to add some kids. Sometimes I know our district tells teachers to add people have to see watch for bullying, but I don't think that's necessary. Uh, Anyways, I really enjoyed this section. I hope everyone else did too, and hopefully you guys all had good luck in what we did.